The greatest people are self-managing. They don't need to be managed. Once they know what to do, they'll go figure out how to do it. They don't need to be managed at all.
We just released our finest creation, the Macintosh, a year earlier, and I just turned 30. And then I got fired.
1970. In small garage in California, two boys are working on a mission. Their mission wasn't to build world's largest tech company or dominate global stock market. Rather, it was simply to solve one small problem: technology. They had no master plan, no goal, only system to experiment, fail, learn from failure, and improve. Did it every day for years without knowing the result would come or not. They worked and created company valuation of
$3 trillion market.
Steve Jobs understood you cannot connect the dot by looking forward. You can only connect them by looking back. And when you look back, you see something extraordinary. It wasn't the goal that created success. It is the system paying you for your consistent discipline. Today, I am going to give you the blueprint of winning 2025. If you understand, you will succeed not only in 2025, but in every aspect of your life. We all been in that situation where we set big bold goals. When we say, alright, now I am going to lose lot of weight, read tons of book and wake up 4 a.m. to exercise. For the first few days, you feeling very motivated, energetic and ready to conquer the world. And then suddenly life interferes. Discipline blews up. Distraction arise. Energy gone. That one inspiring goal become the burden. One day of rest turn into months, leaving you the frustration and self-doubt every night. You keep asking yourself, what went wrong? Why couldn't I reach my goal? And reason behind it is your goals. Yes, your goals act like a trap. They only focus on end result, no destination, ignoring messy, unpredictable journey in between. When the road gets tough, your excitement fades and your goal alone aren't enough to push you forward. That is why you need systems, daily repeatable process that keep moving you ahead, no matter how challenging your journey becomes. But what exactly is this system? Let's understand it with the example of two inspiring guitarists, John and Sarah. John set a goal to learn challenging guitar solo by December. He started off with high hope, but soon his fingers seems to be playing hide and seek with the strings of a production sound that could make animal close the ear. Frustrated and missing practice session, he instantly gave up. Meanwhile, Sarah take a different approach. Instead of fixing and mastering the solo by set days, she created the system. She committed to practice the guitar every day for 10 minutes without the pressure of looping deadline, steadily improve her skill, learn new chords and gradually master the technique. By the end of the year, while John is still struggling with the strings, Sarah has not only learned the solo but build a consistent practice discipline habit continue the success. From this example, you can see that system mean daily habit, routine, process that repeated consistently you expected success. System do not depend on fucking motivation or perfect condition. They keep you moving forward one step at a time, no matter what happens. That's why I said goal inspires you, but system transform you. Now come the most important topic you are been urgently waiting for: how to build system. First, set the goals. Now you might say, wait, didn't you just say that goals are trap? My friend, it's not the goal itself the trap. Listen carefully. Goals and motivation can become trap. Listen again. Goals and motivation can become trap. If you replace motivation with consistency and turn your goals in system, progress will come and achievement will follow. Let's understand with the example. Imagine you decide you want to run marathon next year. That goal give you clear destination, but if you only focus on the finish line without daily plans and practice, you might find yourself overwhelmed and off track. It's not goal that is trap. Pair your goal with routine, with action to reach it. This way you build system is equal to success. Second, make it a part of your life. Easiest way to remain consistent is integrate your system with that thing you are doing already every day. For example, think about your morning coffee routine. While you wait for the coffee and brew, spend few minutes breaking down the day. What are your priorities, to-do list? Tying habit with system mean bad habit with good habit, it becomes naturally part of your life rather than extra task. The simple adjustment make it much easier to stick with your system and consistency. Third, track your action. Don't just focus on the result. Success isn't only about achievement, the end goal. Did you read 5 pages today? Did you exercise? Progress happens when you keep working even on tough days. Finally, be willing to change. Be obsessed to your vision. If you feel that something isn't working, change it. Learn to adjust your system according to your life and your goals, and keep modifying. Start small and progress. Start small doesn't mean that if you begin study 10 minutes today, you always study for 10 minutes. Now that you have all the information, ask yourself, what is use of this knowledge if you won't take action? Don't make it complicated. Start with what you know. Don't search on YouTube what to do. It make your brain overloaded. Take a pen and paper and really think about your biggest goal. Then consider what kind of system you can build and you have to build. What kind of daily habit you have to build so that progress happen without the usual struggle. Are you getting the idea? If not, it's okay. Pause the video, sit quietly. You will see with your own eyes how your life transforms. And yes, below this video comment today's date and your goal, and be sure to save it in your watch later list so that when you return after 1 year you can see where you started and how far you come. Thank you for subscribing. At last, keep learning, keep hustling, and always keep inspiring.